That is. It looks so bad. Dude, look. It's recording. Um, I was gonna say this. My name is Kelsey, and I used to be a cop, and this is my friend Holly, and we're playing all nighter, and well, I got bored, so I tried, decided to try this. It's actually really scratchy. Like 3 in the morning, I'm expecting it, and I actually think I might stop looking. I don't know if you just heard that. It's my room. My soccer picture.